In this video, I'd like to show you how you can close support tickets faster using a Chrome extension called Forest Assist. So first thing I will do is head to Zendesk, but note that this would work with any of your ticketing tools, whether it's Zendesk, Intercom, Crisp, or any other. So I'm on Zendesk and I've opened the extension Forest Assist, which will live on the side right here and telling me to open a ticket to get started. So let's go ahead and do that. My first ticket from John Smith, who lost his credit card. So I'm looking at the message. He's asking us to block his credit card, the one ending in 567. So typically this is where I would go somewhere else, another, maybe a database viewer, a CRM, or a back office solution where I would have access to that information. Thanks to Forest Assist, because it is plugged into my application database, I actually have access to all this data right here. And you can tell that it has detected the customer. It knows it's John Smith. Unfortunately, we have two John Smiths in our database. So let's just, do a little bit of detective work. I can see here is signed John Smith Jr., so it might be this one. I'm just going to have a look at more details just to make sure. Even use Zendesk to have, additional information in here as well. I can tell it is the right user. I'm going to go ahead and select him. And at this point, again, because it is plugged into my applications database, I'm confident that all the data here is the source of truth, really, for what this customer is asking. So he's saying he's got a card ending in 567 that needs blocking. So I'm just going to go ahead and look at the cards we have on file. We can indeed see that we have a credit card ending in 567 right here, as well as another card right here. So at this point, all I can do is just run an action to block it. Yes, I will block this card, and once it's done, you can see that now the card is no longer active. And it is customary, for us to charge a $15 fee for blocking a card. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this again immediately from Forest Assist. And at this point, I can just get back to John Smith and tell him everything has been handled. And you'll notice I didn't have to change tabs or go anywhere else. Everything was just processed right here in my ticketing system. So at this point, I can move on to the next ticket by just clicking next in here. And you'll see this is one from Luca Jensen. And again, automatically Forest Assist detected the right customer and suggesting me one that they found in my application database. I can go ahead in there and just be confident that I've got the right data and I can start resolving this customer request. Thank you for watching.